The birds love to perch on this handrail, and then they crap all over the place. And the robins have been the biggest offender. Last year I made the dark blue spinner and hung it on the handrail just to see how it would work, and quite accidentally found out that the birds do not like the spinner. So now I have 3 spinners, and I haven't had a bird perch on the handrail since. The wind turbine is not my design. It's available on Thingiverse, and the thing number is in the opening title screen and in the description for this video. I'm using a ball bearing spinner that I found on eBay. They're available in different sizes. I'll put the size and the link to where I got it in the description for this video.